Well, good morning, magandang umaga, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. We got a special edition of My PI Dream for you this morning, and it has to do with family, friendship, and family here in the Philippines. It's focusing really on doing some stuff for your kids. We have one of our friends, his two children, asked if they could be on James's YouTube channel and sing some music. So we're thinking, oh, that's great.
They want to join the band.
They want to join the band. So we got a special treat for you today, and I hope you enjoy it. Anyway, let's go ahead and get today's episode started. Now, without further delay, let's get today's video underway. Quite a wet morning this morning. The rain just stopped. We have a tropical depression that's going through and kind of wreaking havoc, as always, on the eastern side of the Philippines, right down the middle. So it's going to affect both, all three of the big islands, Mindanao, Visayas, and Luzon here. So we're hoping those folks are going to be good in that area, because it's actually hitting the same area where Odette hit. That they're still recovering from down there. So anyway, our prayers go out to those folks down there, and hoping that this isn't causing much more problem. But right now it's a tropical depression. But I think in some areas it's considered a signal 1, so it actually does have some high winds. And we'll continue to monitor that here at Villa Feliz. Anyway, today's episode is kind of a cool episode. I got a unusual request from our friend Kit Sanchez. Kit Sanchez, as you know, is, or maybe you don't know, he's our drummer. He's our drummer.
He's a good one.
He's our drummer when we do our little jams inside the basement. And he has two wonderful children, a boy and a girl, and they are just so cute. And they asked their dad, could they play some music, because they sing on our channel here. So we're like, oh, that's so cool. So anyway, that's the setup for today's episode. We got some friends coming over. They're in the basement. And Jess, I think you're going to enjoy this. So let's go ahead and get it started.
All right.
All right.
Every time I look at you, you seem so alive.
That was awesome, wasn't it? Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed that.
Fantastic.
What we wanted to emphasize today is the Philippines is all about friendship. The Philippines is all about family.
Yep.
The Philippines is all about kindness. And the families really, they invest in their children. They encourage them from a very young age to not be shy, even though how often do they say, "Oh, we're shy." That's a term here. We're so shy.
But they want to share joy. They
Yeah.
want to share their talents
Yeah.
to make everybody happy.
So that's kind of a thing. They come out of their shell very early, and it encourages growth. Both in their abilities to do things like play music with each other, and those kind of things help them to become more balanced when they become
And
confident when they become adults. That's what's so cool about here in the Philippines. Well, I hope you enjoyed that episode for today. And if you did like that and you want to see more things where we have group gatherings and group get-togethers, doing jams down inside the basement, let us know, and we'll try to put more of that in our content here on our channel.
come over and share your talents with us.
If you have talent too, we have a basement full of instruments. Please come and join us here at Villa Feliz. That's about it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. And if you did, please give us a thumbs up. Please share. And if you have not subscribed, just click on that little My PI Dream heart in the bottom right-hand side of your screen. You'll be subscribed and you'll be notified if you ring that bell the next time we upload a new video. So until such time right here in the beautiful and talented Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.